Yes, I'm a storm chaser. The dark clouds and the lightning are so exciting. Somehow I'm drawn to it. The chaos and the thunder is a thing of wonder. The howling wind and the pounding rain can't be controlled, can't be contained. And you know that reminds me of you. And then the sun breaks through the clouds and the light shines from the skies, and there's a glimpse of heaven, just like the caramel in your eyes. Behind the darkness, there's warmth and love and light, and you know that I'm right. I know you try to hide, oh, but you let me see inside. How could I help but fall in love with you? Sun breaks through the clouds and the light shines from the skies, a glimpse of heaven, just like the caramel in your eyes. I would even a storm chaser need some shelter sometimes, and I need sunshine. So baby, let those clouds roll away, and let's have some sunny days. Then hand in hand, we can face their storms again. When the sun breaks through the clouds and the light shines from the skies, there's a glimpse of heaven, just like the caramel in your eyes. Yes, a glimpse of heaven, just like the caramel in your eyes.